How to enable or disable auto download files while roaming for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, I'm going to go back to the messages list screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the top corner. Next, from the pop-up, go down and tap on Messages Settings. Then tap on RCS Chats. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Auto Download Files. While roaming, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, charges may apply when you turn this feature on. So if you are going overseas and using roaming, when files are downloaded, you are using mobile data, so be mindful that it will cost you money when you turn this feature on. So if you are not really need to use this feature, it is recommended that you turn this off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.